Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. He performed divination for the cat. One of the substitutes of Ika Meyi, named Iba was the Bàbáláwo, a Fa priest, who performed divination for Ina, fire. Another priest named Ukelewi'i performed divination for the cat when he was coming to the world to hunt. They told him to make a sacrifice with a knife and scissors, awan in Benin and Ayamu in Yoruba, and to add a rooster and a dove. It was required that he perform the Ibo, sacrifice, so that no prey would escape once he caught it with his claws. After performing the sacrifice, he came to the world. Then he developed a hunting strategy. Out of respect for the sacrifice he made, the fire became the beam of light in his eyes. As soon as the cat sees his prey, he positions himself and directs the bright light of his eyes to dazzle the victim and says, "Moti se ibo, keliwi." I have performed the sacrifice, keliwi. Then he pounces and catches it. That is how the cat hunts to this day. In divination, one must be told to offer a sacrifice for whatever one aspires to achieve, so that it may bear fruit.